Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you live here on this Sunday morning, 6:15, and we have some patchy fog that has started to form across the region. Many areas we have visibility down to a quarter to a half mile. That does include much of Ottawa, Kent, Ionia counties over toward the Lansing area. Visibility reported to be around 0 in central Jackson County, heading over toward Ann Arbor. Also, quarter of a mile visibility down toward Coldwater, over toward Hillsdale. So if you do happen to be traveling this morning, just don't be terribly surprised if you happen to encounter an area where the visibility drops off very quickly. Otherwise, checking out the live view, this is downtown Holland, and the view is actually showing us that visibility is good, at least in the city area. Same story in downtown Grand Rapids as well. By the way, continuing to remind you, eastbound lanes of the Ford Freeway are closed this weekend because of a highway construction project going on. Also, the ramp from northbound 131 to the eastbound Ford Freeway also is shut down this weekend as well. All of that's set to reopen at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, so just in time for that Monday morning commute. Temperatures, most areas are in the upper 30s to low 40s, mid to upper 40s along the lakeshore. A few spots north and east of Grand Rapids may have some patchy frost forming from Greenville, Carson City up toward Big Rapids, over toward Midland and Mount Pleasant. But once again, most of our area looking at temperatures that are much above the freezing mark. So we'll see more sunshine return to the area today, and that will boost temperatures back into the 60s. We'll top out around or a touch above 70 degrees for Monday and Tuesday. Minimal rain chances are in the forecast, though we do have the potential for some much needed rainfall to finally roll in by the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend. So far this month, we've only had 3 days with temperatures below average. Last weekend, we had highs well into the 80s. Yesterday, 59 degrees because of that stubborn cloud deck that held on. Really just didn't have much of an opportunity to warm up. That 59-degree high, the coolest afternoon since the end of May. We have to go all the way back to May 27th to find a high temperature during the afternoon below the cooler than 59 degrees. So yeah, it's been quite some time since we have been as chilly as we were yesterday. Now, as we see this month, we haven't seen a whole lot of precipitation. We're running about a ½ inch below average, and that does continue with the drought situation across the entire lower peninsula. So moderate to severe drought conditions will continue to persist. Satellite radar composite. Again, we've got, other than the fog this morning, some clear skies, and that will bring us into the sunshine. We do have rain off to our west, but instead of moving west to east, that area of active weather is going to be moving south to north as the entire area shifts eastward, encountering the dry and very stable air that's in place overhead. And that's why we're looking at our area staying precipitation free at least through the middle of the week, with a chance of a few isolated rain showers finally rolling in by later Friday into Saturday and Sunday. So next weekend will likely be cloudier, cooler, with the chance of some scattered rain showers finally rolling in. 7-day forecast will shape up like this. Again, enjoying a good amount of sunshine today. Low 70s for highs Monday, 70 on Tuesday. Early morning lows also after this morning's temps in the 30s and 40s. We're looking at early morning temps in the 40s and 50s, so continuing to be frost free with those showers rolling in for Friday, Saturday, and next Sunday. And the 8 to 14-day outlook keeps temperatures above average almost through the end of October.